Hello students, I hope you all are fit and fine at home, taking care of yourselves and your family also. As we know, this is the time to study, as well as take care of yourself. Follow all the precautions. So this is Rakesh. Welcome to another fresh video of general knowledge for class 6th. I hope you all are watching my videos. In my previous video, I discussed the lesson from 1 to 4 and there I told you the two pages, that is lesson 1 and lesson 4. I wrote the answers. I hope everyone marked in your book. So today we will start from the lesson 5, that is fun with words. So here we will get two sections. The first section is your phrase and second section is your called genus words. So let's move to the first section. There are several English phrases that have the word house in them. For example, house of cards, which means an unstable skin. So phrase means, I know already in your grammar you learnt. So again I am telling you, phrase means the part of the word, part of the sentence which has no meanings. Okay, if you use some subjects, then it will make a meaningful sentence. So here, like this words used by using house. Let's move to the uh, exercise, that is number 8. With the help of the clues given in the brackets, identify the correct phrase to complete the sentence. So first you see, my brother and his friends got along like a dish. So here the clue given excellently. So now you will ask where or to which one we will use. You go through your book, that is your help box is given there. You can see your help box. Here given house in order, on the house on fire, keep keeps open house, the house down. So by using these words or these phrases, what you will use, you will fill. So the first answer, that means what, both are closely related to each other. So what the words we can use here, house and fire. So the first answer, house and fire. Please note down, or you can mark by 1 2 3 4, but try to write the answer in your book, then it will easy to recall. So now move the second number. On Sundays the minister days, in bracket given that clue, makes himself available to all. That means all will come to meet. So what the word we can use, keeps open house. So what the second number, keeps open house. I hope everyone are marking or writing the answers right. Now the third number, when the restaurant owner realized it was my birthday, he said the desserts were dished free of charge, no cost. That is called what we are calling on the house. That means who will come, then they will take. That is called on the house. Okay, so third number is your on the house. Now fourth number, Amitabh Bachchan's acting in the film brought dash was hugely successful. That means everyone liked, hats off. So what the word we can use? The word is the house down. So fourth number answer is your the house down. I will tell again at last all five. So fourth number is your the house down. As soon as he ascended the throne, the king promised to set his desk, introduce much needed reforms. That means what if someone taking his charge, so what he have to do, he will he will make something different, that means everyone like. And so here the word what we can use, house in order. Okay, so fifth number answer is your house in order. So again I will tell, the first answer is your house on fire. Second number answer, keeps open house. Third number, on the house. Fourth number, the house down. And the fifth number, house in order. I hope everyone marked. Now move to the second part. As I said you, there are words, which have two contradictory meaning. They are also called genus words after the Roman god Janus, who is depicted with two faces. That means here contradictory means that is called argument or opposite meaning. And this also we can call Janus words. It referred or denoted by given the name by the Roman god Janus. So find the words which have both these meaning. Here something, some sentences given, and in your help box four words given. So what you will do, the words are related to each sentences. So both sentence have one word. Wiping furniture with a dry cloth, or sprinkling a cake with icing sugar. The same meaning, that means the meaning are different. Wiping furniture with a dry cloth, that means just we will do something, that means the dust will move. So similarly, sprinkling a cake with icing sugar. Icing sugar means the sugar already made in powder form. Powder means we are calling dust. So here the words are, the sentences may be different, but the word we can use as a dusting. So what the first word, first answer, that is your dusting. Second, sow inside, remove the pips. Sow means to plant, remove means remove the pips means pips. Recall the meaning of pips is a hard seed in a fruit. Pips means the hard seed in a fruit. You can use that exact fruit, that is also like that hard, similarly in your mango. So what the answer will come? So if I say to you seed, that means the answer is seed. Clear? Third, second number is your seed. Third number, endure for a long time, erode over a long time. Endure means suffer, erode means slowly reduce. So for this two, the answer is whether. It depends whether. Now conceal from show a film. So the meaning of conceal, that is called hide, and the opposite written tendency. So as I said, you contradictory meaning, that is opposite meaning or argument type. So here the answer is your screen. I hope did wrote the answers. First one is your dusting, second one is your seat, third one is your weather, and fourth one is your screen. Clear? Let's move to the next lesson, that is called useful crops. This one is your lesson 6. As we know, uh, as we are eating rice and our parents are drinking tea, so these all are crops and they can cultivate in different part of the country. So by using that one and they are useful. If I will say, if you will not eat rice, then you will not get energy. That is correct. So what we need crops, not only rice, so many crops are there. So let's here identify the crop with the help of the clue. So here already help box given to you. So what you will do, by using the help box you can find out the crop. So see, leaves are boiled to make a popular beverage. So this one, before telling the answer, I am telling you, in each family when they are getting off, that means morning when they will get off, so that time they need something is here hot. Parents, not children, parents. So what that is, simply we can call tea. You can see, check the option is there in your book. So the first answer is your tea. Now the second question. It requires plenty of water to grow and it forms the staple diet in South and East India. As we are eating, I hope you understood the meaning what I said you. As we are eating, that is your rice. So what is the second answer? Rice. The third number, it yields the grains used to make popcorn and cornflakes. I know everyone are eating the cornflakes nowadays, famous this all. So from where it form a product related to that crop, that is your maize. Okay, so third number is your maize. Now fourth number, this crop earned Punjab the title is called Granary of India. So granary means here the people, the green like this you can say, most of the people are eating that thing that is called uh, wheat. What your the answer is your wheat. I hope understood. So first one is your tea, second one is your rice, third one is your maize, and fourth one is your wheat. Now this tall grass is rich in sugar, so that change into sugar cane. So answer is your sugar cane. Clear? Now it seeds ripen underground. Oil is also obtained from them. Everyone you are using when you are going in train or any bus, then you are using for time pass Mumfli. So that is in English what we are calling groundnut. What? Groundnut. So 6 number answer is your groundnut, and that also used for oil. Now 7 number. These beans are known for their protein contents. By using that hint, or that from in your question the answer is there bean. So one word is there that is called soya bean. See here soya bean written. So 7 number is your soya bean. The milky substance from this tree has elastic properties and is waterproof. Elastic properties means rubber type. So what we can use, the answer is rubber, latex, you know. This crop yields some oil rich seeds that are often sprinkled and buns and biscuits. So what the answer? Sesame seeds. You can write the answer sesame. Is there in your option that option number 3, that is sesame. This soft and fluffy white fiber is spun into yarn. What? This white color, that is the fluffy type fiber, that is called what? Cotton. What we are calling? Cotton. Okay. I hope you understood. So let's recall all the answers from number 1 to number 10. First one is your tea. Second one is your rice. Third is your maize. Fourth, wheat. 5, sugar cane. 6, groundnut. 7, soybean. 8, rubber. 9, sesame, and 10, cotton. I hope you understood. So today only these two lessons. Next class we will discuss next lesson. I hope everyone note down. If you not seen my first video, then go to the link or to my channel. You can find out the first lesson and you can note down. Okay, take care, stay home, stay safe.